Does everybody see this here? This is straight up from your formula chart, which I will make you a copy and have it for you by tomorrow. Sound like a plan to y'all? We are going to be referencing this all the time. Why? Because I want you guys to be able to know how to use this. It will be yours, which means you can write all over it. Now, does everybody see on their nice little page right here where it says the circumference formula? Did anybody pay attention to what the circumference formulas were? 2 pi r. That will be under your radius. Did you by chance catch the other one? ID. What do I know about radiuses? If I have 2 of them, what does that equal? 2 radiuses equal what? This is from Friday. Diameter. And a half of a diameter is a what? Radius. Which means we have some work to do today. I'm going to give you the measurements here. At least I'm going to try to. In fact, I'm going to cheat. Because I didn't write this down. If I can get to it. Give me a second. All right, so your nice little plug-in thing here. Is this the same? No, it's not. Which day am I on? Oh, I'm on day 2. That'd be helpful. Sorry, it's been a long morning this morning. All right, so your diameter here is 4 centimeters. And I think all the rest of them are given to us. So what is our D? Diameter. Okay, and what's the measurement of our diameter? 4. Now, what is our formula? Is it just D? Pi D. So we're trying to find the circumference, which means we look at our formula up top. Do we know the circumference or do we know the radius? If we know the radius, we use the formula on the right. If we know our circumference, we know our diameter, we do the one on the left. All right, so we now have to plug in numbers. What is pi approximately? 3.14, and I love how Angel's the only one talking here. What is our diameter? 4. Now, if you have your calculator tab open on your Chromebook, what is 3.14 times 4? See if you can get it before I do in my head. Apparently that's a no. Glad to know my math's right. And no, I did not pull that off the computer. That one I could actually do in my head. Questions? How we doing this morning? Okay. What is my radius? I'm on the next one over. My radius is 2? 9. Tells it to you right here. What is my formula then? 2 pi r. I know the radius. I put in 2 pi r. I'm going to do 2 times 3.14 times 9. Which gives me what? Y'all should be getting this faster than I am. 56.52. Did you do 2 times 3.14 times 9? All right, maybe my math's off. Is that what everybody else got too? Oh, I was doing 26, that's why. That's why, my math was off. This is why you write it down. All right, how we doing? All right, let's do another one. We're using 3.14. We're going to do this one, we're going to do the last one. And then I'm going to let y'all loose on your assignment. Actually, I'm going to do 3 homework questions. Then I'll let you loose on your assignment. All right, what do I know? Do I know D or R? D. And what is my D? 16. What is the formula of when I know my diameter? Pi D. And I'm looking for the circumference. That's why I didn't put equal C. All right, what am I using for pi? 3.14. What is my D? 16. What is 3.14 times 16?
50.24.
Bless you. Is that what y'all got? All right, we're gonna do the next one. Do I know radius or diameter? I'm on the last one. Remember, I told you I was gonna do the last one. Diameter. What is my formula when I know the diameter? Pi D. Or pi times D. They both work. What am I plugging in for pi? 22/7 times what? What's my diameter? 14. So what I'm going to do, since y'all have your calculators, we're going to multiply by 22 times 14, and then we're going to divide that by 7. So 22 times 14 divided by 7. 44. All right, is there any questions on any of that?